Hey class, welcome to this week's 2 announcement. In this announcement, I wanted to go over the more important part of what's coming up rather than what's going to happen in week 2. But you can look at my announcement video in week 2 more so for that on information for this week. But I want to get this important message out to everybody. You'll see when you clicked on the video, you'll see um, uh, these other 2 links in the announcement. So you want to click on each of them to actually go to the actual information on the college kickoff. It is required to attend, so make sure you find um, your actual meeting time and place. Now, it used to be because of COVID strictly online, like a video, but it's going to be more than that. You're going to have to be in person now. Okay, so if you see anything that says watch a video, still watch it, but you still have to attend the meeting. So let's click on this first link here. So when you come here to the Student Success Center, on the right-hand side, you'll see the different college kickoff degree, your specific college that you're in, and the time and location. So if you're in the School of Business, between 4:30 and 6:30 on Wednesday, September 22nd, you'll meet in the College of Business building courtyard, building 42. If you're in the College of Humanities and Social Sciences, like if you're a psychology major, um, you'll go to the GC Arena on Wednesday, September 22nd between 11 and 12:30. So you'll see that as you go down that there's going to be um, things to click on that gives you more information. Also down here, you'll actually see some other information, a welcome video, and this is what I was talking about. These videos uh, was how they did it last year because of COVID, but now you can still watch videos if there's a video for you, and just click on it to make sure that you get more information about the upcoming kickoff. And again, it is mandatory to attend, so make sure that you are looking at your links, watching the videos you're supposed to, but also attending your specific program, college, to mingle. This is a meet and greet with your professors, your community, your administrators, deans are all going to be there. It's a real exciting, fun time. So please attend this one, okay? So let's go ahead and click on the other one now. Now, mine brought me after I clicked it, it brought me to the actual little brochure area, but if it doesn't, it might make you sign in and log in. If not, let me know. But it's basically just showing you a snapshot of the information on where your college is hosting in the day that they're hosting the actual meeting. So be very careful because there are some meeting this week, like the Fine Arts and Production, the College of Fine Arts and Production are meeting on the 14th Tuesday, which is coming up. So hopefully you see that you saw this before. But please make sure you attend. It's from 4 to 6 at night, so you still should have plenty of opportunities to go there. But make sure you're attending. So if you have any questions about these college kickoff meetings or anything like that, please send me an email or message me in your classroom. Thanks.